Okay, so first I'm taking a jar of peanut butter. This, I'm gonna say, you should use organic, but this is what we had because someone gave us some. So there's not a lot of peanut butter left in there, so I'm just adding maple syrup to the jar because I already added some, so just a little bit more. And then you just mix it around. This way I don't have to clean another bowl. Okay, just mix in the maple syrup. And then get yourself some pecans. Just chopping these up a little bit more because they were already in pieces. Okay. Add in the desired amount of pecans. Okay. The addition of the pecans and the maple syrup really make the natural peanut butter less runny, which is nice. Then you get your dates. You can cut them open too, but just do it like this. Look at this cute little thing that came with my date box. Look, you just put the pits in there. Fancy. Okay, so you have your open date. Then you just get some of your peanut butter maple syrup. You can also use like date paste instead of maple syrup if you want. So you just get that and you just stuff it in there. Your delicious snack. And we're going to add one more thing to make it extra special. Just do some chocolate chips, and it's in a little double boiler. And I'm just going to stir it, and it gets all melty. These chocolate chips, you guys, these are the cleanest chocolate chips I've found. So they just have cane sugar, unsweetened chocolate, and cocoa butter. So if you don't want the added sugar, then just do like a cooking chocolate, like a baking chocolate that has no sugar. But I like this brand that's dairy free, which makes me very, very happy. Okay, so now that that's all melted, I'm just going to grab the date. We have our date. Okay, I'm just gonna dip it in that chocolate. We have a delicious chocolate-covered peanut butter pecan date. Oh, one final thing I forgot. Just to be fancy, just a little fancy, sprinkle it with a little bit of flake salt. So yummy. Okay, gonna finish dipping these. They don't need a lot of chocolate, just to make it a little special. They're fantastic without chocolate. I really enjoy them, and you can eat them right away, but take my advice, stick them in the fridge for 10-15 minutes, be patient, and they are so much better when they're cold. I love them. And I gotta say, this is not like, oh, let's just go and eat the whole plate at once. You need to eat these sparingly, okay? This is just a nice little healthier treat. Or like if you're having people over, this would be a good dessert to make. There you go, we'll top them with salt and put them in the fridge.